Imagine a world where humanoid robots not only look like us but move, feel, and even heal like humans. Science fiction? Not anymore. With rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, biomechanics, and synthetic biology, we are inching closer to a future where robots integrate synthetic organs to achieve human-like capabilities. This transformation is set to reshape industries, but it also brings forth significant ethical and technical challenges. For decades, humanoid robots have relied on rigid mechanical parts and electric motors to perform tasks. While effective, these designs often fall short in replicating the natural movement, flexibility, and resilience of human bodies. The advent of synthetic organs, such as artificial muscles, circulatory systems, and bioengineered tissues, is redefining robotic functionality. A key breakthrough in this field is the development of artificial muscles that closely mimic human muscle fibers. Unlike traditional robotic actuators, these muscles utilize cutting-edge materials like electroactive polymers and liquid crystal elastomers, allowing for smoother, more lifelike motion. Robots equipped with these advancements can grip objects with precision, walk with human-like fluidity, and even respond dynamically to external stimuli. One notable example is the work of researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, who have developed a synthetic muscle capable of expanding and contracting just like real tissue. Similarly, companies like Soft Robotics are designing adaptive robotic hands that can handle delicate objects with human-like precision. Such innovations are paving the way for robots that can perform complex, nuanced tasks in a variety of environments. The integration of synthetic organs in humanoid robots is unlocking new possibilities across multiple sectors. In healthcare, robots with synthetic muscles and artificial skin could assist in delicate surgeries, improving precision and reducing surgeon fatigue. These advancements also extend to elderly and disability care, where lifelike robotic caregivers could help patients with daily activities, monitor vital signs, and provide companionship, ultimately alleviating strain on healthcare professionals. In Japan, robotic caregivers like Robear, a nursing robot with soft, responsive synthetic joints, are already assisting elderly patients. Future iterations could incorporate synthetic skin with embedded sensors, allowing robots to detect changes in a patient's temperature or pain levels. In manufacturing, industrial automation is advancing beyond traditional robotic arms. Humanoid robots equipped with synthetic organs could handle intricate assembly tasks requiring delicate handling, such as electronics manufacturing. These machines could integrate seamlessly into workplaces, adapting to human workers with greater dexterity and flexibility than conventional robots. The service and hospitality industries could also see a transformation. Robots that can mimic human expressions and movements would create more engaging customer interactions. In hotels, retail, and entertainment, humanoid robots could enhance user experiences by expressing emotions, conversing naturally, and adapting their responses based on customer engagement. Disney's research labs, for instance, are already experimenting with lifelike animatronic robots that exhibit realistic facial expressions, bringing artificial characters to life. Despite the promising advancements, several challenges remain before synthetic organ integration in robots becomes a mainstream reality. One of the most significant hurdles is the technical complexity involved in replicating the full range of human motion and sensory perception. While synthetic muscles and tissues have advanced considerably, achieving seamless, human-like coordination remains an ongoing challenge. Additionally, durability is a concern. Unlike metal-based mechanical parts, synthetic tissues degrade over time. Scientists are currently exploring self-healing materials, such as hydrogels infused with regenerative properties, to extend the lifespan of synthetic organs. The potential for robots to heal themselves after minor damages could greatly enhance their longevity and usability. Ethical concerns are also a major consideration. As robots become more lifelike, society must confront difficult questions about their rights and roles. Should humanoid robots with human-like features and behaviors be granted legal protections? How do we ensure that they complement human workers rather than replace them? These discussions are only just beginning and will shape the trajectory of humanoid robotics in the coming years. Economic disruptions are another factor to consider. While robots have the potential to enhance efficiency and productivity, their widespread adoption raises concerns about job displacement across various industries. Addressing these challenges requires strategic planning, workforce retraining programs, and policies that balance automation with human employment opportunities. The integration of synthetic organs in humanoid robots is still in its early stages, but the pace of innovation is accelerating. Researchers are now exploring self-healing synthetic tissues, AI-powered adaptive learning, and even biohybrid robots that incorporate living cells for enhanced realism. These advancements push the boundaries of what is possible, bringing us closer to a future where humanoid robots are more than just machines. Imagine a decade from now. You walk into a hospital, and a humanoid nurse with soft, warm synthetic skin checks your vitals, offering comfort and reassurance. A robotic firefighter with self-repairing muscles rushes into a burning building to save lives. A humanoid teacher with AI-driven empathy helps children learn by adapting to their emotions and learning styles. These scenarios, once confined to science fiction, are rapidly approaching reality. As we move forward, it is crucial to ensure that technological progress remains aligned with ethical considerations. Humanoid robots should be developed in ways that enhance human life rather than replace it. The line between artificial and biological life is becoming increasingly blurred, and the decisions made today will determine how humanoid robots integrate into society. One thing is certain: synthetic organs are not just revolutionizing humanoid robots, they are redefining the very essence of what it means to be human. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and robotics.